Guys, imagine every Instagram comment, every DM, and every WhatsApp message getting answered and sold to instantly, even while you sleep. Because here's the thing, most businesses don't lose leads because the offer is bad. They lose them because nobody replies fast enough. Someone asks your price, someone comments under a reel, someone wants details on WhatsApp, reply too late, and that lead is gone. Simple, but it's where most sales quietly die. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'm running a real experiment. I'm going to clone my best sales rep using Dealism 1.0 on my Instagram and WhatsApp and see if it can qualify, follow up, and help close leads on autopilot. The engine behind it is Dealonka, an AI sales director that manages your agents, sharpens your sales flow, and turns more conversations into actual sales. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Stick around because there are 100 free credits in the description. Let's get into it. Guys, before we jump into the setup, here's why I'm testing this as a creator. When I post a reel or launch something new, people start asking questions in the comments and DMs, but I cannot reply to everyone instantly while I'm filming, editing, or working on the next video. And the longer a lead waits, the colder that conversation gets. So the result I want from Dealism is simple: faster replies, fewer missed leads, and more conversations moving forward, even when I'm not online. Instead of making me handle every message manually, the AI agent can manage the early conversation and only bring me in when the lead needs a human. Folks, let's make it practical. For this demo, I'm selling an online course through Instagram. A reel, a keyword in the comments, and people asking for details in the DMs. Inside Dealism, I hit Create New Agent, add my brand details, and explain what the agent should help with, qualifying leads and guiding them toward booking. Setup is genuinely no tech. If you can fill out a form, you can do this. Now, the part that actually matters: training. This is trained on your business in action. I add my website link and upload a file with the key course information, so the agent has enough context to work with. Friends, I also explain my communication style, so the agent knows how to sound natural and get straight to the point. This step is the difference between a real AI sales rep and a generic bot. If it doesn't get your offer, your tone, and your customers' objections, the conversation falls apart fast. Next, before going live, I run test conversations. Is this beginner-friendly? Why does it cost more than free YouTube? Is there a refund? This way I can catch weak answers before a real lead ever sees them. Now here's where it becomes a sales director. I bring that test conversation into Dealonka, the jaguar head icon, and ask it to review the flow. Quick context, mates. Dealism is not a button chatbot with stiff flows that break the second a customer asks something off script. It's a full AI sales system with two layers. Layer 1 is Dealonka. Guys, think of it as your AI sales director. It learns from your chat history and turns that context into practical sales guidance, so you can understand which leads matter most and what to do next. It's not just replying, it's thinking and optimizing like a sales manager. Layer 2 is your AI sales agents. Folks, these are the reps that actually talk to customers across Instagram and WhatsApp 24/7. They answer questions, handle objections, send links, and follow up when leads go cold. So in this test, the agent handles the conversation, and Dealonka reviews how well the sales flow actually worked. This is self-updating conversations and sales tactics improving in action. It's learning the patterns that actually convert. Then, folks, Dealonka offers to update the agent itself based on that feedback. I say yes, wait a moment, and retest the improved version. Now the answers are sharper, the qualification is cleaner, and the follow-ups are stronger. No manual rewriting, it's just as strong on follow-ups. When a lead says, "Let me think about it," Dealonka recommends the smartest next move and can automatically send the follow-up, so the conversation never goes cold. Over time, it builds a live sales playbook from your best-performing chats. It also handles spot hot leads instantly, auto-flagging your highest intent buyers with summaries and insights. You can even schedule campaigns and recurring outreach in advance, and manage or fine-tune every agent anytime. And friends, I'm always in control. If a lead needs me personally, I jump in. Dealism just handles the repetitive volume. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's connect Instagram, where most creator leads come from. As a next step, I connect my account and follow the authorization steps to give it access to comments and DMs. In the Instagram automation section, I connect the reel to a keyword-based flow, so the agent can respond automatically when someone comments, reply under the post, send a private DM, and start the conversation right away. Mates, this is full funnel automation with no gaps. A simple reel comment can turn into a guided sales conversation that continues privately and moves the lead closer to saying yes. One detail worth showing: replies can go out as text or voice in a human-like voice you choose, so it feels personal, not automated. The moment someone comments, that comment becomes a real conversation. The lead flows from Instagram to WhatsApp, and from there toward booking or buying. Now guys, let's look at WhatsApp, because Dealism can also learn from real conversations. Look at the screen. The platform automatically analyzed the chat history from the connected WhatsApp account, pulled out key facts about our business, and turned them into a structured knowledge base. Here we can see categories: pricing, strategies, and business information. So we do not need to write every rule manually before creating the agent. Now inside basic info, this knowledge base is already connected. Folks, we can test the agent and check if it understands what it sells. For example, when we ask that question, it gives the right answer, which matches the information from our knowledge base. And that matches the information from our knowledge base, so the agent is not guessing. It is using the business data dealism extracted from WhatsApp conversations. At the end of the day, I open Dealonka and see everything: chat summaries, qualified lead flags, hot leads, and the next steps that make sense. Guys, the agent works the front line. Dealonka runs the sales logic behind it. And honestly, this is my exact pain. I post, people flood the comments asking questions, and I can't reply instantly while I'm filming or editing. With Dealism, those leads don't sit there cold. So folks, worth it? Honestly, if you sell through DMs, Dealism is one of the most complete AI sales tools I've tested. It fits coaches, consultants, and creators, along with local businesses and e-commerce brands. Really anyone who's drowning in Instagram comments and WhatsApp messages. The Dealonka plus AI agent combo is what actually makes it different. The agents handle the conversations. Dealonka handles the qualified leads, summaries, follow-ups, and next moves, like a real sales director that never clocks out. Of course, mates, I would still test the agent before letting it handle real leads. But if you get messages for your business, this workflow makes sense. You can start free with 100 credits using the link in the description, and there's a coupon down there too, so that's the best place to begin. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.